So Krishna will come back. But if Krishna would come back and see, Nanda Maharaj is not there. Okay? Nanda Maharaj is not in there. Then Krishna will be unhappy. So in this way, Nanda Maharaj is thinking, if all his pleasure for Krishna, Krishna's happiness, though he is feeling own painfulness, everything, but he is remembering to Krishna's happiness. So prem is these things, how is the happiness of my Ishta? So for this regard, this is the conclusion, prem not looking own happiness. Okay? So Nanda Maharaj, he is higher than Dasarath Maharaj, but Nanda Maharaj is thinking, I have no prem with my son Krishna. Na premo gandha usti hare darayati. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told, hey Sarup Damodar Raya Ramananda. Everybody is saying, I have prem to Krishna because I am crying for Krishna. And one who cries for Krishna, people are thinking he has prem. But he is saying, no, I have no prem. Where is my prem? If would I have prem? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, if would I have prem, why I am living in this body? Then Mahaprabhu gave an example. The fish, they have love with the water. If you take out the fish from the water, then fish flapping and Mahaprabhu, where is my prem? I have no prem. So Mahaprabhu also saying this, no prema gandha usti harir darayuti. Mahaprabhu told, I have no prem with Sri Hari, nothing. Even not one, what is called, 1 cent, nothing. So then maybe somebody will ask, so why you are crying for Krishna? Mahaprabhu day, night and crying Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Then Mahaprabhu saying, actually I have no prem. Saubhagyopi. I am thinking of my own fortune. Why? Oh, everybody is saying, oh, you have prem. You have prem with Krishna. Actually I have no prem with my Krishna. So in this way, this is also daina of humility of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Even because when you grow up of your bhajan and sadhana, that daina will come. But that daina will be perfect daina and not false daina. Humility is coming at the stage of bhav and prema. For before your humility, daina, crying, everything, sometimes that's imposing. Imposing means sometimes imposing. Oh, I have nothing. When prem manifests that time, Rupa Goswami completely absorbed the transcendental pastimes of Krishna. That time, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he gave Bhagavad Katha on the bank of Radhapur. And he told all Srimati Radhika's Viraha Katha. Nigarupi Kavindra Vidra Telubdha Dharma, Ramargi, Madhurupi Kitoba Bandhu, Ma Visrangi, and Srimati Radhika's highest Dibbanuma Dasa, transcendental madness of Srimati Radhika. Dibbanuma Dasa. He did Viraha Dasa. Then all Goswamis, they are crying and crying. They are shedding tears. But Rupa Goswami Pad still sitting, just open his eyes. No any, what is not?
Sense from outside,
And transformation of people. No vikar. No prema vikara, no transformation of love, no prema vikara. No romancha, compassion, no tears flowing down, no crying, nothing. No sattvic vikara. Then one person asked to another Vaishnava. Oh, we heard Rupa Goswami is the topmost Premit devotee. Because Rupa Goswami wrote all Grantha, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Lalita Madhav, Vidagdha Madhav, Ujjal, Ingmani, all the symptoms of Prema Katha is there. But still he is sitting here, listening Hari Katha, but no Prema Vikara, no transformation of divine love. Why? All others Goswamis and others audience, they are crying, weeping tears. That time one great Vaishnava told, you don't know Rupa Goswami heart. His heart is as like big ocean, Jatha Samudravat, big ocean. In the big ocean, big fish, they are jumping with him, but nothing. Or while the small water, then little bit fish, then water stop to trembling. Kapari parparayate. So you can check. But how will know Rupa Goswami has prayed? That time we'll take one cotton and put on the nose of Srimati Rupa Goswami. Then cotton, burn, fire comes. But all kinds of and the fire of separation, Premagiri, fire of separation here. This cotton. This is the fire. I hear Rupa Goswami passing, I have no prayer. So prem is actually a humility, daina. This is in the stage of Hankravartakantam Vraktimana Sannata Asavandhu Samatkanta Nama Gane Sada Ruchi Asikrita the Gunanukhane Pratita Vasadistali Victorjayu Surarjato Bhavam Kure Janem. Before the prem, that is not, before the humility, that is not perfect humility. If they are perfect humility, so after a few years, few months, why they return back to Maya? Prem manifested one heart, and you will never go to Maya. Prem is very far. Even the little bit Nistha Ruchi will come. Never he very far. And never last anger will not manifest. Always observe Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. Read it. So this is it. Daina, before it is Daina, that is not perfect Daina. Sometimes the people are pretending for Daina. Humility pretending. Why? Because of the Haribol, Haribol, Haribol. He is great person. Very high. And little bit tell me, as like snake. My Guru used this word. This Daina is like snake humility. So you know, snake walking, his boat is going very down. A little bit touch his tail. This is not the way. Snake Daina. My Gurudev, Bangladeshi Maharaj used this way. Before Prem Dasa manifested, or Bhav Dasa manifested, that Daina is not perfect. That is the snake Daina. Snake. Or some people, they are the Svabhav Siddha. You know Svabhav Siddha? Nature. Actually, this is not true. Some people, they are showing the, maybe I am not saying the pretending, but the nature, Svabhav. So for the Rupa Goswami path, very clearly, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, according to their heart, Daina coming in the stage of for their Srila Sanatana Goswami path, explain in Brihad Bhagavatamrita, Daina and Prem, Varjavacha Sabha. One is synonym. Synonym is Daina and Prem, same word. Humility and love is same. But which stage is it? Actually, Bhavan Prem. Eh? If I glorify to you, then oh, God Maharaj. I will little bit chastisement. Oh Maharaj, too much. Then disappear. Some devotee saying, oh Maharaj, you chastise to me. I'm like, if I chastise to you, you never come back. Very difficult. Huh? You are saying, Maharaj, if I have any fault, you chastise to me. If I chastise to you, you cannot tolerate. Tolerate. You can ask yourself. If I glorify to you, oh, he's nice, Maharaj. Huh? Especially Western country, people very difficult to what is called tolerate chastise because their culture is different. Not so easy to. Once I also asked Gurudev, when you are Mathura, so much chastisement to the brahmacharis, Indian brahmacharis. It is little bit fault. You can ask Madhav Maharaj. He was the servant. Yeah, even he is a little bit fault, even not to do. Walking and pull down the anything. Maybe one pot or something, would they become very angry. Bang! There is what? Yesterday I saw one devotee take yesterday 2 days, Giriraj Purusha. Then he fell down the all subject. I think something. I noticed.
Yeah.
Then taking again back there. Dust is there. How to offer to Giriraj Govardhan? If I chastisement, then he will be very angry. Or if I go to chastisement, then my mood is going another way. So sometimes I also looking, overlook. Overlook. What to do? Looking and not looking. Overlook. If I look, then I have to chastisement. Hey, this is the task of food of the people. Understand? And how to offer to Giriraj Govardhan? How to offer to Krishna? You tell me. If you do puja, Thakurji puja, you have to, male person should be only lower cloth, dhuti, and around one uttari. Or he are doing this puja, kurta, sa. This is not proper. This is not their etiquette. If I tell, then they will be angry or they will be unsatisfied. Or how much I will speak? Because they have these types of sanskar. Understand? Impression. And one time, 2 times tell, then what? Will they tell their activity as like the tail of the dog? One person is thinking, this is a Gurudev Katha. One person thinking, I will make the state the tails of the dog. Then you put ghee, putting the ghee on the tail. Then you put one stick, bamboo stick, and bind. He thinking after 7 days, then thinking now, straight. Then after 7 days, when he untied all the rope, then this dog tail going to say, very difficult. Because sanskar, impressions, and bhajan sadhan. So I asked Gurudev, Gurudev told me, they cannot tolerate. If I chastisement as like Indian brahmachari, all they also are. And then Gurudev told, now old age, if I take chastisement, then my heart attack will come. Gurudev told also this thing. If I chastise, you tolerate or not? Yes, Gurudev.
I think I can, but you know best.
Okay, now you go return back. Oh, okay.